Are you about to let your Propstream free trial expire and want to make sure you don't get hit with unexpected charges? This step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly how to cancel your Propstream trial. Before it auto-renews, let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Propstream website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or account settings button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Account Settings or My Account option. This will take you to your personal account dashboard. Within your account settings, you'll need to find the Billing or Subscription section. This is where all your payment and subscription details are managed. Click on the Billing or Subscription tab here. You should see information about your active trial, including the renewal date. Now look for a button that says Cancel Subscription or To End Trial. This is the crucial step to prevent future charges. Click this button. Propstream may ask for a reason for cancellation or a confirmation. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your cancellation. You should now see a confirmation message stating that your trial has been canceled and will not auto-renew. This ensures you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Double-check that your subscription status now indicates that your trial is ending and no further payments will be processed. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Propstream trial and avoided any unwanted subscription fees. Subscribe for more helpful tips.